Here, where is it? Oh, it's here. Hi everyone, we just got the Google Pixel 3 fresh off the FedEx delivery, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing. This is the smaller version, so let's begin. No need for scissors this time. Alright. We have the phone here. Let's take a look at the contents of the box. This is the SIM tray opener. Yes, we do. And we have the instruction booklets. Oh, we have headphones. We have USB-C headphones. This is new. I'm sure we didn't have it before. We have the USB-C. We have the USB-C cable. We have the dongle and the OTG. Alright, so hopefully we're gonna get lucky on the screen and there won't be any discoloration. Let's turn it on. The screen is looking okay from what I see. So we're gonna skip the SIM part. Alright, it looks like it brought us to an update screen and it's gonna install an update. Alright, so we're gonna have the display tester to show us whether or not we have a good screen. It is looking good so far. The white does look white and the gray does look gray. Alright, thanks for watching.